Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Alexa on Fire TV and stop voice smart controls, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Alexa on your Fire TV, start by turning on your device. Navigate to the home screen. Using your remote, scroll down to the settings icon. Select the settings option from the menu. Once in settings, scroll to the My Fire TV option. Click on My Fire TV to access additional settings. Look for the Developer Options menu. Select Developer Options. Here, you'll see the option for Alexa device. Click on Alexa device. You will find the option, select Disable to turn off the voice controls. Once you've disabled it, exit out of the settings menu. To complete the uninstallation, return to the home screen. Highlight the Apps section. Scroll through the list of installed apps to find Alexa. Once located, press the Options button on your remote. Select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Uninstall again. After the app has been removed, return to the home screen. You have now successfully uninstalled Alexa from your Fire TV. To ensure all voice smart controls are disabled, double-check in the settings. Return to My Fire TV. Select Voice and Language. Make sure all voice recognition features are turned off. This will ensure no further voice commands are recognized. Congratulations! You've completed the process of uninstalling Alexa and disabling voice smart controls on your Fire TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.